Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll study about how to express non-terminating numbers in P upon Q format, okay, which is basically to express it in a rational number. Now what are non-terminating numbers? So non-terminating numbers, okay. Now any number which is written in this format like 0.3 and bar is written on the top, so now this is a non-terminating number. So what this actually means is it is like 0.3333 and it will continue till infinity, okay. So to write it in a simpler form, we write it as 0. This way, okay. Bar will put bar on 3, so this will mean that 3 will go until infinity and it will never have an end, okay. So to write this type of numbers in P upon Q format, what we have to do basically is first we have to take this number as a value of x. So we'll take x as a 0.3, okay. So this is the method in which we take x as a value of 0.3. Now this is bar 3, so it is bar 3, so we can write 3 as 3 3 3 3 3 and it will continue till infinity, okay. So now what we have to do next is take this decimal over here, okay. So make it 3.333. so to take this decimal over here, we have to multiply x by 10, so it will become 10x and it will become 3.333 and it will continue till infinity, okay. This becomes 3.333 because we multiplied 10 here, okay, 2x, so it becomes 3.33. now what we have to do is minus this number from this number. So when we write it, x is equal to, now put point below point, so 0 will come here, point, and 333 will remain this side, okay. So when we will minus, it will be 9x and this will be 3 because this will give us 0. So x is equal to 3 upon 1 second, okay, I hope you can see it now. So x is equal to 3 upon 9, we'll take it this side, so x will become 1 upon 3. So value of x is 1 upon 3 and hence we can write 0.3 as 1 upon 3, okay. I hope you have understood it. Now we'll take the second example, which is a little different kind. So 1 second. Now the next example we are taking is 1.27, okay. So this, what does this mean is it is written as 1.27 27 27 and it will continue till infinity. So this number can be written as 1.27, okay. So what we have to do is follow the same method with which we just solved the first question, okay. So what we'll do first is take x, what we'll do is take x as 1.27, okay, and it will be as 27 27 27 because bar is on 27. So what we'll do first is multiply, so here 2 digits are repeating, so we'll multiply it, we'll take point over here, so we'll have to multiply it by 100, okay, because 2 digits, so we have to put 2 zeros over here, so it will become 100x and it will become 127.27 27 27 27, okay. It will continue, 1 second, it will continue till infinity. Now what you have to do is minus this number, the original number, this one, from this number, okay. So here what is x is equal to, now point will come below point, okay. So this original number was 1.27 27 27 27, okay. So when we'll minus it, what we'll get is 99x over here, and what we'll get here is 126, and this will completely cancel, so this will give us 0, so no need to write that, okay. So now when we will find the value of x, what will become is 126 upon 99. So what is 126 upon 99? I think so we can cancel it. This will give us 42 upon 33, and further cancelling by 3, this will give us 14 upon 11. So what we have got, the answer is that 1.27 can be written as 14 upon 11. This is the answer. Okay, now the last type which is remaining is third question. This is 0.235. okay, and bar is on 3 and 5. So now there is no bar on 2. okay, so this, what does this mean is, this number is like 0.2, then 35, 35, 35, 35. Here only 35 is repeating again and again, and 2 is not repeating. okay, therefore there is no bar on 2. So to solve this type of method also we'll use the same method with which we solve the above two questions. okay, so we'll take x is equal to 0.235. okay, now there is bar on 35 only. okay, so we'll write 35. okay, and it will go till infinity. So we have to first bring this point over here, because there is no bar on 2. So we'll multiply by 10, so it will become 10x. okay, when you multiply x by 10, so it will become 10x, and here what it will become is 2.35, and there is bar because 35 will continue, and it becomes 2 point because we have multiplied by 10. Now this is the same equation type like we have solved in second question, which is 1.27, and this is the same type. okay, now it becomes the same type. So what we have to further do is, there is bar on 35, so what we'll do is 10x is equal to 2.35, 35 and 35, it will continue. okay, now because 35 is repeating again and again, so again we have to take this point over here. okay, so we have to for that we have to multiply it by 100. So when 10 is multiplied by 100, it will become 1000. okay, and what will remain here is 235.35, 35 and 35. okay, so now what we have to do is minus this number from this number. okay, so here it is 10x is equal to, now point will come below point, and don't take 35 here. okay, because originally the number was 2.35, so here we will write 2, and then 35 and 35 will continue. okay, so this will give us 0, and this will give us 233. okay, and what will remain is here is 990x. okay, so to find the value of x, we simply will divide it. 233 divided by 990. So will it cancel? 8, 9, 9. No, it is not going to cancel. So the value of x will be this much. okay, so what was value of 0.235, bar is on 35, is 233 upon 990, which is in the p upon q format. okay, so these were the examples from NCERT 9th class book. okay, so you can also check that. Okay guys, so thank you so much. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.